Hi, now I'd like to take you through, hi, my name is Abhijit, and I would like to take you through my code walkthrough for my final project. I'd like to first start the web layer and all the JSPs. Well, this is the login user JSP which has been created. As you can see, I've used lots of tags here, and there's no scripting involved here. Once it is created, this is the create user page. This is the body part of the create user page. There are lots of tags been used here. Now the header JSP is present inside this, and the header JSP has the menu part, as you can see, and it also has the security tag, which will make sure that only those roles which are authorized will be seen in these links. The header JSP has all the style sheets and the JavaScript files embedded inside them, so that I don't need to repeat all this code on the remaining pages. Now the login confirm page is this. I'll show you the key features of my application. Well, first I'll just show a brief overview of my controllers. I got 3 controllers here. In which involves all the methods and all the URL mappings, and in Panda class for binding from date, and the multi-part form upload. This is present here. So I'll start initially with multi-part form upload. Multi-part form upload is done through this part. I need to first add an input type element, file name, and then in the class I have registered the byte array multi-part file director, which converts the image to byte format, and it gets flown to the persistence layer, where it is saved inside a database by using this tag. The blob1 type binary. This is a byte array, so it's been saved in the database. And for getting it on the screen, I have generating on the screen, I use the following method. Display image, which is called from the JSP, and it generates the image and displays it on the screen in this response. Now the next feature was another create user screen, wherein I use the captcha functionality. The captcha functionality is implemented as follows. I have whenever the user click on the initial submit, it goes to this method. It is posted to this method. I check in that whether it's been submitted, and whether the captcha thing has been validated. Once if it's not validated, I set the flag as captcha error. Set the flag as captcha error is required, and enable captcha. And on the JSP, I show it in this space. Enable captcha, wherein I make a call to this service by passing it as a random number, which the JSP is generated. And after that, when the response is obtained in, I verify the response. For that, I have used the HTTP Jakarta client. I've used the Jakarta API quite a lot in this application. A request is made passing the response of the user, and the output is then transferred. If it's a pass, then it's true, otherwise it's false, and from there I just check in how the user is authenticated. Next feature of my application is I'll go through PDF. Now before that, I'll just show the create appointment screen, wherein I show the map functionality. map functionality, on JSP I open it through Ajax. I've used a lot of Ajax. So this is my JS file, Ajax file. I send the request to the user to the with the physician ID of whose data and address is supposed to be found out, and it's coming here. Get map details. When I retrieve the information of the user, and then also obtain the latitude and longitude, it's been obtained to the Yahoo Place Finder service. I call in the service Yahoo Place Finder. I also had to register my application ID, and I pass in the address. I get the latitude and longitude for and this is obtained in the XML response. So the XML response needs to be passed, and I passed it through this method, in this getValues method, wherein I pass it to the JDOM API. I don't know, I've used JDOM API as well in this application, wherein I get the value of latitude and longitude, and I have used the same code for latitude, for both latitude and longitude, so that I don't need to repeat the code. So after that value is obtained, I transfer my response to this method is called the handler method map, wherein I make a transfer request to test with the JSP. Inside test with the JSP, I have populated the map through this visualization API, and a lot of R&D for this. I just give a small brief walkthrough, I just navigate to the Google Visualization Data API just to show how much I had studied for that. And here in the map is populated, and this thing is then incorporated in the iframe tag. So I've used jQuery for Ajax. I've used jQuery for setting the HTML elements tag, and also displaying and hiding elements as well. So that's where the map is obtained. I just navigated to the Google the Visualization Toolkit API. This is the Google Visualization API, wherein you can see lots of charts here, and whatever whatever is required, what parameters are supported, what color is supported, everything is given out here. I've studied a lot of this. It also supports the jQuery JS API as well. So I faced initially issues in that, but then I solved those as well. So this is a small walkthrough. For that, I'll show you my generate PDF code. When PDF is presented in this method, the request goes when the request is submitted, it's a get request, and the parameter is obtained, app number, and from that I find out which appointment is the one which is supposed to be viewed by the user, and then I've written the PDF diagnosis PDF view, and which does all the passing of the PDF and or putting it on the data. I done a lot of R&D on this as to how the data format is to be done, how image tag is supposed to be added, how a new page is to be, and how a new page is to be done, like adding an image tag, and how a new page is to be added, how you do space between the pages. A lot of R&D was done on this, so that I just wanted to make sure that PDF looked better and good. And for displaying this view, I make use of the following thing. Oh yeah, I didn't use a specific view resolver. I just passed it through in the constructor of the method. That's what I did. Initially, I was thinking of using a view resolver, but it didn't work out. So I just passed a view here, and it worked quite well. And then I'll show you the mail code as well. one. I'll just switch on the video because my saving doesn't take much time.